kids love nothing more than sweets they can pull and stretch. Which probably explains why jellied sweets and licorice have always been sticky favourites. Just don't tell your dentist. Everyone calls this red licorice, but there's actually no licorice root in it. The ingredients are wheat, sugar and corn syrup, with red food dye and both artificial and natural strawberry flavouring. The mixture is cooked for 2 hours at 102 degrees Celsius, which transforms it into a thick paste. The mixture cools down and is put through extruders, which work like icing nozzles, shaping the paste into a design such as twirls. A water-lubricated knife slices the continuous strips into 18 and 21 centimetre lengths. The water also rinses off any build-up on the blade. Stacked trays of cut twirls go into an oven to dry for 8 hours at 60 degrees Celsius. As the excess moisture evaporates, the licorice shrivels. Workers then weigh the licorice, and it's off to packaging. To make jelly sweets, they use what are called printing boards, large sheets with raised shapes. To make jelly worms, for example, they mount the jelly worm board on a stamping machine which punches shapes into trays of cornstarch. This creates a series of cornstarch moulds. In another part of the factory, a machine mixes gelatine, sugar, corn syrup, colour and flavouring and cooks the mixture at 115 degrees Celsius. A machine called the depositor pours the mixture into the cornstarch worm moulds. The moulds then go into a refrigerated room. In 12 to 15 hours, the sweets cool and solidify. A machine then flips the sweets out of the trays. As the cornstarch moulds disintegrate, a sieve filters out the lumps, then recycles the deposits into new cornstarch trays for the next batch. The sweets go through a cleaner. As they spin, air nozzles blast off the cornstarch. The next drum coats the sweets with mineral oil to make them shiny. A firm favourite with kids and adults alike, many fishermen actually use the jellied worms for bait. Before packaging, the workers weed out any sweets that are stretched or have stuck together. Sounds like a child's job made in heaven.